want just to welcome our distinguished guests. Sir Vice Governor Sir Sandy, Congresswoman Karen, Mab and the Javier family, thank you so much for gracing us with your presence tonight. To our distinguished guests from the LGUs, from QCLGU, and from the government, to our media partners, our KOLs, the Docs team, Food Panda employees, thank you all for coming and welcome sa Pista ng Sala. So, tonight, I think everybody thinks you're here to celebrate the launch of a partnership of two brands. And we are. It's Food Panda and an iconic Filipino brand that we all love, Andox. Pero by the end of the night, I hope what I'd like is for everyone to leave this event feeling like we're celebrating two very Filipino things, two very Filipino cultural traits. Number one, our love for delicious, napakasarap na food. And second, our love for convenience, hassle-free delivery. Okay, so it's more than just two brands coming together. It's a celebration of two very Filipino things. And the timing could not be more opportune. Andox is celebrating 40 years. Happy anniversary po sa Andox. And congratulations. Sana makarating din ang Food Panda to where you guys are. 40 years doesn't happen by accident, right? This is really testament sa leadership and the visionary Vice Governor Sir Sandy, supported by Congresswoman Karen and I think it's truly them that have led the country, the brand, to great success over the past 4 decades. And most especially to the team in Andox, na palaging handa, always ready to serve every store, every meal, every corner of the Philippines. So thank you po din sa Andox team for your dedication and grit to making the brand truly great. We naman at Food Panda, we have a very simple mission, and that is to make life delicious. We want to bring Filipinos, our customers, access to the best brands, the food they love, and the meals they love. But if I'm honest, for the past few years, there's been something missing in our platform. And that's why tonight it's so special, not just for me, but for the leadership team. Because we welcome back a truly iconic brand to the platform through Andox. And we bring you closer to the Filipinos around the country. So again, thank you so much for that. I also want to recognize the efforts of the Food Panda team who made this possible, led by Theo, our commercial director, and Sid, with the help of Alfred and Jack. I think in the history of the whole Delivery Hero, it is the fastest na onboarding of 500 branches that we have seen. So congratulations to the Food Panda and Andox team. I know like araw-araw sila from finance, operations, drivers, everything, they were really working to get it all together. But what's more impressive is the launch. Kasi when we reviewed 3 days after go live, we were so pleased to see how amazing the operational metrics are. Super low fail rate, low cancellation rate. These are things you do not see with brands that come on board. And I think that's testament to the great teams that we have in the stores and you have in the branches. So thank you ulit sa entire Andox for really putting effort into the partnerships. We are so grateful. And before I close, I just want to say, this is the beginning of a partnership that we hope will last decades. We have a lot of exciting things in store, not just deals and promos, but there's some special innovations, and later we surprise kami for Father's Day, which I hope everyone here will also talk about in the media for this coming weekend. But more than that, I really want to just celebrate coming together. This brand is known, we've grown up for it for generations. It is part of our Sunday lunches, barkada hangouts. It's our go-to comfort food, and it's fed us for years. And we want to make sure that we can continue to bring this to every Filipino around the country. So again, it ties beautifully with, I think, the vision of Vice Gov Sir Sandy, Congresswoman Karen, and Mab to give Andong, to make Andong successful to every Filipino around the country. So, welcome everyone again to ang Pista ng Sarap. Thank you for coming and I hope you enjoyed tonight.